back to Las Vegas. Now, our very own cooking confidence coach, Nanny Bubby, is back in studio thanks to Chapman Automotive, the sponsors of this next segment. Today, we are learning how to make roasted vegetables.
There you go.
Simple, but it's complex.
It's really a knife skills class. Are you ready?
Yes,
so
I'm ready.
I have so many students that say, oh my gosh, I hate to work with knives. I can't do what everybody else does. You know, those chefs that go boom, 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 boom.
Exactly. So and I just told you the most I work with is a steak knife and a butter knife.
And that's a problem. Because it really is, because if you come home and you say, oh, I want to cook for myself tonight, and you see a recipe that says chop, dice, or mince, you're like, nope, I'm going through the drive-thru, I'm done. So we want to get you over that.
Understand me. Okay.
I understand you. So which do you think would be more comfortable to you, the larger one or the smaller?
Larger.
Okay, take the, I'm sorry about that. All right, so here's the thing about holding it.
Okay.
How do you hold it? What makes you feel comfortable?
This.
Okay, so I would just say, just choke up a tiny bit, just a tiny bit. Okay, how does that feel?
Good.
Okay, so the thing about a knife is what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're comfortable.
Okay.
That's the only thing. Everybody says hold it up here and hold it down. Don't. Just hold it to how you're comfortable.
How am I doing?
We're
do I look natural?
Yes, you look natural. Okay, ready? We're going to start with bell peppers. See these veins right here?
Yes.
This is a game changer. Ready? Down.
Okay.
Down.
Okay, already failing
You got it. No, 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 you got it. That's it. Okay, down.
Down. Oh,
and down. Okay.
Down.
There you go.
Okay.
You got it. Okay, so I can see what's wrong. You want to know what's wrong? Let me just show you this really quick. Okay, you want to cut back here.
Okay.
So see that?
I was cutting from the top of the knife.
No, it's the back.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
where the leverage is and the strength. Got
you guys,
that?
I'm learning in real time right now, okay?
Okay,
so
yeah, she is really actually learning in real time. Okay, so then just really quickly, I'm going to show you, you're going to take these again towards the back. You're going to just...
Okay, now we're slicing.
Yeah, towards the back.
Towards the back.
Yeah, go down.
Oh, wait, no.
Yep, you got it. Okay, one more time. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
So, like, from the back to the front.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Okay. All right. Just throw that onto your sheet pan.
Okay.
Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is the zucchini. Okay. So the best thing to do is end out, end off into the compost basket over here. Now you want to, there you go. Now you want to have the, there you go. Now you want to have this. You don't want to slice this because it's going to go rolling everywhere, right? So you're going to just go down the middle, starting from the tip. Move your hand.
Oh my God.
Hold it on top, over the top.
Okay.
There you go. And down.
Rule number 1.
Yeah.
Move your hand.
Move your hand.
Okay.
Down. There you go. That's great,
Rocky.
Okay.
Smooth.
Now,
good.
Yeah. Now just hold it flat. Turn it flat. That's my girl. Oh my God. Okay. And now, down.
Okay.
And down. Okay.
Oh shoot. The other yeah. Thank you.
There you go. Okay.
Down.
That's it. Okay.
Boom.
Now, just hold it. Hold this at the end, and just chop down.
Oh, the fun part. Oh.
Okay. All right.
Boom.
And just throw that into the sheet pan.
We've got 1:30 now.
Okay. With your yellow squash, you would do the same thing, but you're not going to do it because we've run out of time to do it. Okay. So I'm just going to show you this. With an onion, you slice down.
Ready.
This is for dicing. You slice down, but see how they're already cut? So you're going to just cut like that. And then when you cut the opposite way, they're automatically diced.
Boom.
Okay, I have one thing for you.
Okay.
Okay. Grab your unpeeled garlic.
Got it.
Okay.
By the way, it smells delicious in here.
Yeah. So there's your unpeeled garlic. Okay. And we're going to take this.
Oh, now, I know this trick. I think I know this.
Do you know this trick?
No, but no. So you show it.
So, so you're going to take the flat, fat part of the knife.
1 minute.
Right. Down.
Boom. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
That's it.
Bam!
You did it. Okay, and now it peels beautifully.
I feel empowered.
So when it comes to mincing garlic, what you want to do is you want to use all the garlic. The more garlic you have, the easier it is to mince.
Okay.
That's the one thing. When it comes to mincing something like rosemary leaves, you want to do small amounts as possible. Listen, I want to tell you this one trick I saw on TikTok. It's really quick. To wash your leafy vegetables. Rinse them 3 times. Don't put them in the salad spinner. Just go out back. And whip.
I love that. Oh, that's easy, and that's the good part for the kids to do.
So we've got love in a sheet pan. Ready? Here's love in a sheet pan. Start your spoon. You ready? Look at this. This is what it looks like when you get through it.
Smelling right now. Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Look at that.
There's your spoon.
We've got 15 seconds.
I'll hold this
to try this. Oh my gosh! This is such a blessing. Thank you.
Hot.
Hot. And delicious and flavorful. main seasoning on that, or no?
Salt and pepper and olive oil. That's it. There you go.
That's
hey, you're learning to ask. There you go. All right. That's it, everybody.
So check out Nanny Bubby's Kitchen and Garden on social media and online at nannybubby.com. Also, we want to thank Chapman Automotive for sponsoring this segment. On the count of three.
Go out and spread love like butter. We'll be right back.